Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets were totally confused until 2:15 p.m. On one side, Asian markets were positive. GIFT Nifty was indicating about 50-60 point gap up. On the other side, Infosys ADR was down, ICICI Bank ADR was down, HDFC Bank ADR was down. So it was totally confused and therefore it was just trading sideways, but with a severe selling in TCS. I remember TCS, it was trading around 35-40 just two or three days before, and it has fallen more than 100 rupees. So remember, as and when there is some kind of a news flow, something like, HDFC Bank merger, TCS share buyback, this is not the time to trade in those stocks. For no reason it will go up 100 rupees, for no reason it will come down by 100 rupees, again for no reason it will go up by 100 rupees. So it has created huge volatility. So at some point of time, all the IT stocks were down terribly. And today I had to go out around 2 p.m. for some other personal work. By 3:30 I came back, all shot up like anything, all the IT stocks. And Nifty also broke out. So finally, Nifty has broken out of the range 19,780 to 19,820. That means the last 4 trading session, it was trading within that 40 point range. Not trading, it was closing. But today's close is decisively much higher than 19,820. A decent 70 point up. And I would say the market has broken out finally. But what is significant? Number one, the markets are breaking out even when the European markets are down, when the US futures are down. So that shows the resilience of our market. And anyway, our market has been hugely underperforming for the last 2 months I can say. I've been telling you, US markets fell in the month of September, recovered more than 100%. But we fell from 20,200. We have not even recovered the 100%. And Bank Nifty is even worse. Bank Nifty August-September high was 46,300. Now it is not even crossing 44,000. It's just struggling. Today, another disappointment. The HDFC Bank has not become long. So first around 19,530 Nifty became long, and then Reliance around 2340 Reliance has become long, and today even the Bank Nifty has become technically long, but the most heavy index heavyweight HDFC Bank, which has about 15% weightage. So that is still not becoming long. So I think I told you many times, I will tell you once again. So, like when I was not so experienced person, when the Nifty shot up 1,000 point, I used to think, Nifty shot up 1,000 point, where it will go higher. Okay. I used to short the market, and that's how I used to be caught in the wrong direction. But now ever since I started following the technical, so I'm very, very clear, this is not the time to short. And that is why, people who think, 1,000 point shot up where it will go higher, for them only there is a famous saying, the market can continue to be irrational until you go bankrupt. So it's always better to stay with the trend. So the trend is your friend until it bends. But as of now, there is no sign of bending. I would think, the trend is just starting now. ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, मेन पिक्चर बाकी है. Of course, so there is one day risk is there, that is next Monday, state election results. But I think, state election results may be factored in to more or less, there may be knee-jerk reaction for 1 or 2 days. Other than that, that too if there is any unpleasant surprise. So otherwise, it may not be a big event. But anyway, it makes sense to exit the positions if you are profitable by Friday, and then you can consider re-entering on Monday. I think that also I have already discussed. So today FIIs were net buyers for 800 crore. So these FIIs will buy only when the market is at very highest point, and they will sell only when it is at the lowest point. So after Nifty shot up 1000 point, Friday also they were net buyers for more than 2000 crore. Today also they are net buyers for 800 crore. So in just 2 trading sessions they have bought for more than 3000 crore. And today the domestic institutions also bought. So this performance is commendable given the fact that US futures are slightly lower and European markets are also trading lower. So logically the next step is 20k and followed by 20,200. But 20,000 looks achievable in this series itself because we have 2 more trading sessions, but I'm not sure about 20,200. Expecting 20,200 in next 2 days is a bit high because we still have about 300 point. So next 2 days Nifty has to shoot up 150 point. I don't think that that's possible. But if not in the current series, in the December series, Nifty can take all-time high. But however, as I said, 1 day risk is always there. So there are too many things, so in US also a lot of economic data like, consumer sentiment data, US GDP data, then India GDP data is also there, So next few days markets can be volatile, but the undercurrent is bullish. So that is the main thing. So in the last week, just 2 days before Saturday, Sunday, I went to Mumbai. So I shared all the strategies for them to benefit from this technical analysis as well as the trend following. So nowadays, I became a trend follower, whereas, earlier I used to be a non-trend follower. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.